Hello everyone, my name is Isaac Mowo
And my name is Paul Nyaga.
and we are Google ambassadors from the University of Nairobi in Kenya. We want to talk about a very critical issue in Africa today, and that is how technology can be used to promote sustainable development.
Okay, first of all, before we continue about the discussion about sustainable development,
Yes.
let's first define what is sustainable development. We could say is the use of technology to solve the current problems we're having here as a country, and also ensure that it's not going to cause future problems for future generations.
Okay.
Yes.
I have seen various ways in which technology, for example, mobile phones, these phones have been used to in the health sector, for example.
Yes.
Yes. Have you maybe seen?
Yes, the application area for using technologies for sustainable development,
Yes.
there are several.
Yeah.
Like one of them you have said is the health sector.
Okay.
Another one is the education.
In the education sector, I have seen mothers, for example, use games in the mobile phones to play to learn about. When they are playing, they are learning about maybe maternal health, diarrhea. You see, such kind of stuff.
Even the government has tried to use the technology
Yes.
to try curb the security issues. You know,
Alright.
there's been a lot of insecurity around.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
recently they introduced an application here where you can, if you have problems with security, you can send an SMS to your nearest police station, and they are going to sort you out.
And I think that is one of the ways that technology can be used to promote sustainable development. But another additional way in which I think technology can be used is through, you see, disaster management.
But unfortunately, while implementing these technologies for sustainable development,
Yes.
there's been a lot of challenges. Like one of them is the funding,
Yes.
and another one is the lack of incubation center.
Center.
You know, like in the institutions of higher learning,
Yeah.
there are several students who have a lot of brilliant ideas, but the lack of an incubation center where they can build on their ideas
Yes.
is a major problem.
Is a major problem.
Yeah.
And my friend once told me about brain drain. How we have people who have developed good ideas. Unfortunately, they go to other countries and they forget about Africa. What do you think about that?
Okay, mostly it goes back to the funding, because if someone can tell you that come to our country, we'll fund your project,
Alright.
you will be excited and you will quickly
there.
move to the other country.
So it means we are not patriotic, but we are not patriotic, right?
Yes.
To some extent. All right. We also think that we need to hear from you. Apart from what the little we have said, we need to hear from you.